Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys what we are taking with us. We are on our way on a 17-hour car ride to Disney World in Florida, and this is what I packed for everybody to keep me from going insane and keeping them entertained for a little bit. So let's start all the way at the end with Elijah, my 4-year-old. So I have his book bag, we have his iPad, his headphones, he has some sunglasses. I have a mini Etch-a-Sketch for him, and as well as this mini fidget spinner, which is pretty cool because it also has the, oh my god, I got it, I never get that, it has the poppets at the end. And I really like these two mini things because they can be in his book bag while he's in line for rides and stuff, kind of keep him entertained. So there's these, and I found these at Target, and also the dollar store has them too. So I'm pissed I got it at the dollar store, and not at I'm pissed I got it at Target and not the dollar store. But these are hidden pictures. These are really cool. So just put water in the pen, and then when he starts to color it, the color will show up. How many times did I say color? Then I have this pack of puzzles to keep them entertained. So it's a 4-pack. Again, got these at Target the other day. So that's nice. I got another Pop-It, but I like this one because it has letters and numbers. So he will be starting pre-K in the fall. He's pretty good with his numbers. It's his letters that he's struggling with a little bit. So kind of keep him entertained and educate him on the way. He has his water bottle. And I do have IV powder for everybody to keep us hydrated at the park, because it is going to be hot as at the park, so keep everybody from getting dehydrated. For my girls, it's the same thing. They each have their book bags, and they have these sling bags that they will use while they are at the park. And in the back there is a mini zipper compartment. I slipped in these raincoats for them. It rains unexpectedly throughout Florida, so there's their raincoat, be prepared. They have their water bottle as well as an IV hydration powder. They have their mini fans. Oh, that's pretty powerful. And I like these because it has a little holder here, so it's nice. She has her AirPods Max, her iPad. These are sunglasses, prescription sunglasses here, and this is for Ariana. This is what she'll be reading on the car ride there. And Alex, her books here, she's reading the Maze Runner series, and in her book bag, and again her sling bag, her all the same, pretty much the same stuff. She has her headphones. As for me, same thing, my book bag, my sling bag. My sling bag is so effing heavy, but it's like I have to be over prepared because my kids are always under prepared. Y'all feel me, you know how it is. I am taking 2 classes this summer. You guys, what the hell was I thinking? So I do have 2 tests next week while we are at Disney. I asked for an advance on the exams and they said nope. So I have to take my laptop and my iPad so I can do my homework at the hotel. I have my AirPods Max, whatever they're called, my sunnies. I have my little fan as well. We each have a Sumbum focus chapstick, as well as we each will have a portable charger with us. I don't want our phones to end up dying out there on the road or at the park, so these are the portables that we are taking. And whew, that is it, guys. That is what we are taking. Aside, what I didn't show for the girls is they each will be bringing blankets and pillows for the car ride, and as well as their snacks. So I didn't show their snacks, you know, the typical teenager stuff. You know, they have chips, donuts, cookies, all that good stuff. My husband is actually out right now buying the stuff that they asked for. So that's that. And for Elijah, I actually do have a raincoat in here for him as well. Poncho for kids. I do have his sunscreen as well. Oh, baby bum. It's really cute, and he does have a little pouch with undies and things to change him. And he does, oh, here's 2 ponchos in there. He does have snacks in here. What I didn't show are his goldfish. I think my husband had to go restock that as well. So that is that. So that is what we're taking. Oh, I do have an Apple AirTag on a bracelet for him. I'm going to put this around his ankle while we're at the park because he does take it off his wrists. So, yep, that is it, guys. This is everything that we are taking. I really hope that this keeps them entertained for a while. And there's Jacob. I have a holy mess over there because I am reorganizing and cleaning everything before we leave. I don't want to come home to a dirty house. So yeah, guys, this is what we are taking. Any other suggestions? Anything you think I am forgetting, or for my next trip, or maybe something that you didn't think about packing? One thing I am taking for Elijah also for the park is this neck fan for him. So he will also have that, and he has a bucket hat to keep my little guy from getting dehydrated. But alright, guys, I will be vlogging while we are there, so stay tuned for that. Be sure to check out my little TikTok and the little videos. I'm not very good at it, but I try. Any questions? My son, he's looking for me. But alright, guys, that is it. Thank you. Until the next one. Bye, guys.